What if I told you that our little corner of the universe is a cosmic symphony of fire and ice, swirling moons and worlds beyond imagination? Today, we're embarking on a journey across the solar system, a voyage to uncover the secrets of the celestial bodies that dance around our sun. But before we set sail, let me ask you, have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? The answer? It's far more wondrous and strange than you could ever imagine. Hold on tight, because our first stop is the blazing heart of it all, the sun. The sun isn't just the center of our solar system. It's a celestial engine that powers all life on Earth. This giant ball of hydrogen and helium burns at a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius at its core. That's 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to fuse atoms into energy that takes millions of years to reach its surface. But here's something mind-blowing. Every second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing unimaginable energy. And yet one day, even this mighty star will run out of fuel. Imagine a world without sunlight, plunging the solar system into eternal night. How do we survive such a cosmic inevitability? Our first planetary stop is Mercury, the sun's closest companion. If you think living near the sun might make it warm and cozy, think again. By day, Mercury's surface reaches 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But at night, it plunges to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees. Why such extremes? Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat. And here's something strange. Mercury's day is longer than its year. It spins so slowly that one sunrise to sunrise cycle takes 176 Earth days. How do you imagine standing on a planet where the sun rises so slowly it takes half a year just to set? Next, we glide to Venus, a world often called Earth's twin, but the resemblance ends at their size. Venus is a planet of contradictions. Its thick clouds of sulfuric acid hide a hellish surface where temperatures soar to 475 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and atmospheric pressure is 90 times that of Earth's. Walking here would be like standing 1,000 meters underwater. But here's the most poetic part. Those golden clouds reflect sunlight so brilliantly that Venus is the brightest planet in our sky, a symbol of beauty from afar, but a nightmare up close. What could we learn from a planet where a runaway greenhouse effect has turned it into an inferno? And now we arrive home, Earth, the crown jewel of the solar system. Among all the planets, Earth alone supports life. Why? The answer lies in the perfect balance. A protective magnetic field, a breathable atmosphere, liquid water, and just the right distance from the sun. But as we marvel at Earth's beauty, let's ask ourselves, are we doing enough to protect it? With rising temperatures and melting ice caps, the fate of Earth rests in our hands. Will we be the stewards of this precious planet or its undoing? Now let's set our sights on Mars, the red planet. With its rusty surface, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, Mars is a world of stark beauty and tantalizing possibilities. Scientists believe it once had rivers and lakes, and maybe even life. Could humans one day call Mars home? NASA and SpaceX are already planning missions to colonize Mars. But here's the challenge. Its thin atmosphere, freezing temperatures, and deadly radiation make survival daunting. Still, humanity has always thrived on challenges. What do you think? Will Mars be our second home or an elusive dream? Beyond the asteroid belt lie the giants of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter, the king of planets, is so massive it could fit 1,300 Earths inside. And Saturn, with its iconic rings, is a planet that seems straight out of a cosmic fairy tale. Jupiter's great red spot is a storm larger than Earth, raging for over 300 years. Meanwhile, Saturn's rings, made of ice and rock, glow like a cosmic halo. These planets are not just giants. They're wonders of physics and chemistry that challenge our understanding of what's possible. As we travel farther, we reach the icy realms of Uranus and Neptune. Uranus spins on its side, its pale blue hue hiding a mysterious frigid interior. Neptune, the farthest planet, boasts wild storms and the fastest winds in the solar system, over 1,600 kilometers per hour, 1,000 miles per hour. And beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy debris where Pluto resides. But here's the big question: what lies beyond? Could there be a ninth planet, lurking unseen in the darkness? Or are we looking out toward the edge of interstellar space?